So, Grant Project Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Update. We've reduced the bob weight to 20 pounds. We've installed the the 1-to-3 transmission, 10-pound flywheel to simulate the load. We're getting about 120 RPM out of it at this length of stroke, or cycle swing. And as soon as you stick any kind of load on it, it stops. And this is getting it started again with manual assist. So at 12 volts, it's just not gonna do anything. Let's see here. What can we do? Oh yeah, we'll increase the voltage to 24 volts when the boost converters show up, and post results when available. Suggestions welcome. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Yeah, it's just not going to do it. I was having better results with the 10-pound drop configuration. I think we're calling that one what is it, centrifugal force two-stage oscillator. Yeah. So, but we'll finish testing at 24 volts. Post results when available. Have a good one. Cheers.